Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at this Cheston 350 watt drill. I got this from Amazon for a price of 1,100. We can see some information on the side over here. It is a Cheston 10mm powerful drill machine. It has reversible function and variable speed, and you can drill wall, metal and wood with this machine. The model number is CHD 6104 and the color is yellow, and the MRP mentioned on the box is 2,199. The power output is 350 watts. The RPM is 0 to 2,600 at its peak power, and this is the distributor's address. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we get inside the box. That's the drill. Other than the drill, you just get the instruction manual inside. So this is the instruction manual. I don't think we need that right now. Inside this plastic you get the drill and some extra brushes so that you can replace it once the old ones get worn out completely. And you get the 10mm chuck key to remove and lock the bits into the chuck. I'll just plug this in and show you how noisy this machine is and how fast the chuck can spin. But before that, let me just give you a close-up of the chuck. So this is you can just move it with your hand. Here we have the Cheston branding again with professional tools written underneath. Here you can see the power that it consumes, 220 volts. It's a 50 Hertz 350 watt machine, and this is the revolutions per minute printed over here, and the chuck size is 10 mm. So it's pretty easy to open the chuck. I will just use one of my biggest bits that I have. I think this is a 8 mm bit, so I'm just gonna see if it can fit inside this easily. Yes, it can fit easily. Okay, I have locked it in, and now we will run this machine and see how noisy it is. So right now it's spinning clockwise. As you can see, there are no visible sparks coming out of this place, which happens in most of the cheap drills. And if you see here, there is a number printed embedded into the plastic. So here you can see 1 and this is 2. So when it's on 1, it's on the first speed, and this is the second speed, which is a little bit faster. So those are the two settings, and this is the reverse clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation control. So now right now it's spinning clockwise, and once I do this, it will spin anti-clockwise. If you want this to spin continuously, there's a button over here which you can just press this and then lock the button. If you want to release it, you just click or press this trigger again and it will pop out and the drill will stop. So this was a very brief and short review of this Cheston 350 watt drill. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down in the comment box and I will reply to your queries. And if you want a follow-up video where I test this machine on different materials, please let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.